Bonnie, happy Saturday! Oh my goodness, check this out. I've got such an exciting video. I'm going to show you what is in this box. So, back in March, I partnered up with a company called Rose Forever New York. They are in New York. They were founded in 2019, and they specialize in roses. Oh my gosh. So, you can see, oops, there we go. The pink roses that I got back in March, they're preserved. I'm going to show you how well those have held up since March. Today, they have sent me part of their black velvet collection. And oh my gosh, I'm going to take the lid off for the big reveal. Look at these roses. Oh my goodness, you guys. 36 red roses in a black velvet box. How gorgeous are these? And they smell beautiful. You can get a 9-pack, a 16-pack, or check it out. This is the 36 count of roses. They come in different box styles. There are square boxes. I'll show you my pink box in a minute. There is pink suede. They come in acrylic boxes. Oh my goodness. And the shades, the colors, they use a natural process of pigmentation to keep the shades rich and intense. And they use a natural oil in order to preserve them. So they come in pink, they come in light pink, yellow, I'm looking at my screen here, lavender, purple, dark blue, light blue. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have black roses. They have white roses. They have gray roses. So I love the fact that they come in this beautiful velvet box. There's actually a lid. So you can put the lid on like this, so you can gift these, and then you can take the lid off and display them. These look so beautiful sitting around the house, like on a coffee table, on an end table, in a bedroom, if you have a large countertop in a bathroom. I mean, there's just so many ways that you can display these flowers. If you have like a 3-season room, these look gorgeous outside. And like I said, I cannot tell you how beautiful they are. I'm hoping my camera picks up just how beautiful they are. They feel like real roses. I mean, they are. They're actual roses that are preserved with this natural oil process. So, like I said, this is the 36 count. They are the Intense Black Velvet Red Collection. I will put a link below, and then if you use the code GIRLGEEK15, you'll get $15 off when you order. So I'll put all of that information below. This is the set that Rose Forever New York had sent me back in March. They are absolutely perfect. They have not deteriorated. They have not changed in color. They still smell the same. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're of very high quality. Like I said, they use natural oils. They last for 1 year. They are handcrafted by rose artisans. I would love that job. They're allergen free and they are vegan. So, like I said, this is the one that I got in March. I display this one behind me. I absolutely love it. These are the light pink shade in the 9-pack. Back to the red ones. I just, like I said, have to show you these again up close. I'll put some photographs on Instagram. I just love these. The rich red color is so beautiful. And these would make a great gift for summer. Like I said, centerpiece for 4th of July party. These would make a great wedding gift for someone. They would make a really nice graduation gift. I actually have a couple of graduation parties coming up. And I'm like, you know what? These would make a really neat graduation gift that doesn't go away in like a week. They're going to be able to enjoy these roses for 1 year. So like I said, I did partner up with Rose Forever New York with these. They did send me these beautiful roses to share today. And if you would like $15 off, you can use the code GIRLGEEK15. Oh my gosh, I have to figure out where I'm going to display these until 4th of July. I'm so excited. Look at them. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Rose Forever New York for sending me these gorgeous roses. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.